welcome back to The Marketing Suit. I am Dominica Weems, and today we're diving into a fascinating urban phenomenon that's shaping the streets of New York City, and believe it or not, has major implications for marketing professionals. We're talking about sidewalk sheds, those ugly green structures that seem to be everywhere in the Big Apple. But beyond their function, they offer a deeper insight into city economics, consumer behavior, and even branding opportunities. Let's break it all down. On East 9th Street in Manhattan, a sidewalk shed has been standing since 2010. That's right, since Michael Bloomberg was mayor and the iPhone 4 was the latest tech innovation. Now, more than just a decade later, it's still there, just like thousands of others across NYC. At last count, the city had 8,560 sheds covering roughly 378 miles, about the same distance from NYC to Montreal. Their purpose? To protect pedestrians from falling debris from deteriorating buildings or active construction sites. But here's the kicker. Many of them stay up not because of ongoing work, but because building owners find it cheaper to keep them up than to actually fix them. Origins of the sidewalk shed industry date back to the tragic incident in 1979 when a student at Barnard College was killed by a falling piece of concrete. This led to the facade inspection and safety program, requiring buildings taller than 6 stories to undergo facade inspections every 5 years. If a building is deemed unsafe, owners must install protection like sidewalk sheds until repairs are complete. The problem? Many building owners find it more economical to just keep the sheds up indefinitely. Here's the breakdown. Installing a shed costs about $150 per linear foot, which adds up fast. Shed rental fees kick in after 3 months. Permits cost hundreds of dollars per year. But major facade repairs can cost hundreds of thousands to over $1 million. Some landlords choose to absorb fines rather than pay expensive repairs. So the sheds just sit there, affecting residents, businesses, and the city's overall aesthetic. So why should marketing professionals care? Because these sidewalk sheds are not just an infrastructure problem, they're a branding problem. Visibility and foot traffic. Studies show that bars and restaurants surrounded by sidewalk sheds see revenue drops of 3.5 to 9.7%. People avoid businesses hidden behind ugly scaffolding. If you're marketing a retail space or restaurant in NYC, you need a strategy to counteract the impact. Outdoor advertising and brand awareness. With so much unused space, brands could rethink sidewalk sheds are used. What if instead of dull green metal, they become vibrant ad spaces or immersive brand experiences? Think digital billboards, interactive art, or influencer collaborations. An aesthetic factor. NYC is finally taking action with the Get Sheds Down initiative and 6 new shed designs launching in 2025. For businesses, this means a shift in urban branding. Sheds might become an extension of marketing efforts rather than an eyesore. What's next? While NYC leaders are pushing for stricter time limits and higher fines to force repairs, the reality is these sheds are here to stay in some form. But with improved designs and creative marketing solutions, they don't have to be bad for businesses. So what do you think? Should businesses take advantage of sidewalk sheds as branding opportunities? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Marketing Suit for more insights on the business of branding and urban marketing trends. Until next time, I am Dominica Weems. Stay creative and strategic.